If you're still here, breathing, then the storm hasn't won. Welcome to Mind Over Storm. In the next moment, I'm going to hand you 14 iron rules, forged in silence, tested in chaos, that will turn the hurricane inside your skull into a compass. These are not feel-good quotes. These are weapons. And the first one starts now. Rule 1, the 4 a.m. Pact. Before the world wakes up and starts screaming for your attention, you will already have won the day. 4 a.m. is not a time. It is a covenant. You versus the version of you that loves the snooze button. Here's the pact. Alarm rings once. Feet hit floor. Glass of water. 100 words in a journal. Today, I refuse to negotiate with weakness. That's it. No phone, no notifications, no mercy. Science calls it decision fatigue avoidance. Marcus Aurelius called it owning the morning, owning the soul. I call it the difference between a life that happens to you and a life you happen to. Do this for 66 days straight, and your brain rewires. The thalamus, the gatekeeper of habit, thickens. You become allergic to excuses. Welcome to Mind Over Storm. Rule 2, the daily death meditation. Every sunrise, picture your obituary. Write it. Read it aloud. Here lies your name, who scrolled away 1,847 days. Morbid? Number. Clarifying. The Stoics called it premeditatio malorum, pre-living the worst. When death is your silent co-pilot, procrastination loses its grip. Try this tonight. Lie flat. Slow your breath to 4 seconds in, 6 out. Visualize your body in a coffin. Ask, did I trade my hours for my dreams? Most people run from this exercise. Storm-minded people live inside it. That's Mind Over Storm. Rule 3, the 1% compound law. Discipline is not a sprint. It is interest accruing in the dark. Improve by 1% daily. Day 1, 1 push-up. Day 100, 2.7. Day 365, 37. Not sexy, unstoppable. James Clear proved it. The samurai knew it. Your nervous system obeys it. Track it in a pocket notebook. Red ink for wins, black for slips. At month's end, photograph the page. Post it on the community tab of Mind Over Storm. Let strangers witness your compound empire. Rule 4, the discomfort quota. Comfort is the silent killer of potential. Assign yourself a daily quota of deliberate discomfort. Examples: 5-minute ice bath, 30-minute run in rain, public speech to an empty room. Sleep on the floor 1 night a week. Your amygdala will scream. Good. That's the sound of growth. Log the quota in the same notebook. When you hit 100 discomfort credits, reward yourself with something meaningless. A coffee, a movie. The reward is irrelevant. The identity shift is everything. You become the person who seeks the storm. That's Mind Over Storm. Rule 5, the information fast. Your mind is a temple, not a dumpster. For 24 hours every week, consume 0 external information. No podcasts, no news, no social media. Read only pre-1900 texts. Seneca, Epictetus, the Bhagavad Gita. Write 1 insight per hour in calligraphy. Your dopamine receptors reset. Clarity returns like a blade unsheathed. Post your handwritten page to the Mind Over Storm Discord. Watch the community grow quieter and stronger. Rule 6, the 90-10 possession purge. Look around your room. 90% of it owns you. Box it. Label. If I died tomorrow, would anyone miss this? If the answer is no, donate it. Keep only what serves the mission. The Stoics owned 1 cloak. You can own 1 laptop, 1 bed, 1 set of weights. Empty space is mental real estate. Rent it only to thoughts that pay dividends. Film the purge. Upload the before/after to Mind Over Storm. Title: I deleted my life and gained a future. Rule 7. The Single Task Forge. Multitasking is a myth invented by the distracted to feel productive. Choose one mission-critical task per day. Block 90 undisturbable minutes. Phone in another room. Internet off. Door locked. When the timer ends, the task is either done or you log the exact reason it isn't. No excuses, only data. After 30 days, you'll have 30 finished tasks or 30 autopsy reports. Either way, you evolve. Share your forge log in the Mind Over Storm comments. We study wins. We autopsy losses. Rule 8. The Silence Retreat. Once per quarter, disappear for 48 hours. No speech, no eye contact, no tech. Walk, sit, breathe. Eat only what you can prepare with one pot. The first 18 hours, your mind will riot. By hour 36, it kneels. Bring a blank journal. Fill exactly 3 pages. No more, no less. Page 1, fears. Page 2, desires. Page 3, the one sentence that must guide the next 90 days. Burn pages 1 and 2. Frame page 3. Hang it above your workstation. Tag Mind Over Storm when you frame it. We'll know a new monk joined the order. Rule 9. The Accountability Anchor. Find one human who scares you a little. Someone who has what you want and won't coddle you. Send them a weekly voice memo. What I said I'd do, what I did, what I'll do next. 30 seconds max. If you miss a week, you owe them $50. No excuses. The fear of losing money is dwarfed by the fear of losing respect. Post your anchor's initials in the Mind Over Storm community tab. We'll salute them. And you. Rule 10. The Prisoner Workout. Your body is the only cell you're guaranteed to live in for life. Maintain it like a maximum security inmate maintains hope. Every day, 50 push-ups, 50 squats, 50 sit-ups, 1-minute plank. No gym. No excuses. Film 1 rep of each on day 1. Film again on day 100. Stitch the clips. Upload to Mind Over Storm with the title, From Prisoner to Warden. Rule 11. The 5-year letter. Write a letter to your future self, dated exactly 5 years from today. Answer: what did I refuse to quit? Who did I become by not quitting? What did quitting cost the old me? Seal it. Set a calendar reminder to open it in 1,825 days. Every Sunday, read the sealed envelope without opening it. Let the weight remind you. Every choice is a vote for the man in the letter. When you finally open it, live stream the moment on Mind Over Storm. We'll either celebrate or hold the eulogy. Rule 12. The Mentored Mentor. Teach what you're learning before you master it. Every Sunday, record a 5-minute voice note explaining the rule you sucked at most that week. Send it to someone 2 steps behind you. Their questions will expose your blind spots. Your explanations will cement your mastery. Tag the exchange on Mind Over Storm with hashtag #MentoredMentor. Watch the chain grow. Rule 13. The Irreversible Decision. Once per year, make one decision you cannot undo. Examples: delete your gaming account with $800 of skins. Tattoo your mission statement on your forearm. Sell your car and commit to walking or biking. The brain treats irreversible loss differently. It triggers hypervigilance. You stop flirting with discipline and marry it. Document the moment of no return. Post the raw footage to Mind Over Storm. Title: The Day I Burned the Boats. Rule 14. The Legacy Audit. Every December 31st, lock yourself in a room with one question. If I died at midnight, what would the world lose? Write the answer in third person. Then write the action plan to make the loss unbearable. This is not motivation. This is engineering. Read the audit aloud on live stream for Mind Over Storm at 11:11 p.m. Let the community hold the mirror. Let the storm see its reflection and choose to evolve. You've just inherited 14 rules that have survived empires, plagues, and personal apocalypses. They are not easy. They are not meant to be. Easy creates consumers. Hard creates creators. Mind Over Storm is not a channel. It is a movement of quiet warriors who chose the storm because running was no longer an option. Take one rule. Live it for 7 days. Return here. Comment the rule number and the single sentence that changed you. We'll read every one. We'll forge the next 14 together. Until then, the storm is coming. Be the mind that masters it. This is Mind Over Storm. Storm-minded, storm-ready, storm-proof. See you in the comments.